going to go ahead and install a synthetic wig together and see if we can really slay it like the girls on TikTok be slaying it. That looks amazing. In person, it looks good. Yeah, she's cute. Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 24,000 of us over here. Your girl has been spending her time scrolling through TikTok and I've been seeing so many synthetic wigs, and you know what? The girls are laying their lace. We're gonna get into a synthetic wig install / review. If you're interested, go ahead and keep on watching. If you are an OG on my channel, you know I used to do a lot of synthetic wig reviews back in the day. I'll go ahead and link an entire playlist. Something in my spirit was calling me back to the synthetic wig game. Here is the synthetic wig that we are working with today. It is from Sensational. It is their Butta Lace unit, and it is the Butta Unit 3 in the color 1B, okay? So this is what the packaging looks like. If you watch wig reviews on YouTube, you are very familiar with this unit. I decided to pick it up because it's supposed to be a nice crimped unit and I thought it would look really cute, especially with our resurgence of Y2K. The Butta Lace collection is supposed to be a series of wigs that has HD lace. Now, we about to really see if the lace is giving HD, okay? Because y'all know people be calling their lace HD lace and the HD don't be HD. Let's see what it is looking like. Wow, I will say already that is a beautiful middle part. Woo! Stock card is giving, and y'all know when the stock card gives, it's promising, okay? Here is the construction of the unit. You have a little bit of lace in the front, and there is a middle part. You have two small wig combs in the front, one in the back middle, and then your standard elastic strap. So as far as my natural hair, I just finished throwing in some very quick wig braids. So we are going to go ahead and pin up our wig braids and then get started. Okay, so we are all pinned up and let's just go right into this unit straight out of the box. It's so beautiful. Let's put her on. I forgot what it feels like to have hair on, y'all. That was, wow, that was an experience. Just so you know, I do have a low hairline, so my edges always peek out from underneath. I'm very used to that. It's not thick. It's not a very dense unit at all, so just be aware of that. I were to put it in a ponytail, this is what the ponytail will look like. Y'all, it's so pretty. Okay, so right now I'm trying to decide whether I want to do this middle part situation, or I ain't never really shied away from a side part. It may not be fully possible to do a complete side part, y'all. This is kind of as far as I can shift over the wig before it like completely starts to cover my ear. But I've always been a fan of a side part because I feel like I can make my hairline just look a lot better with the side part since it's peeking out. I don't know, y'all. What are y'all feeling? Okay, I'm kind of like in the middle the more I talk about it. Okay, she feels secure in the back. I am someone who uses my wig combs because 9 times out of 10, I'm not gluing down the unit. Okay, so let's go ahead and flip some of this hair out the way so we can work on the hairline. I love that freaking middle part. That looks amazing. Spray this down with Got To Be and then kind of cut it off. Let's see. And I'm also just gonna brush it back to really see what the hairline is giving. I wouldn't call it a natural hairline, but it definitely does have some plucking. Let me go ahead and tie down this hair and kind of let that Got To Be dry a little bit, and then we'll come back and start cutting off some lace. And we're back. Let's go ahead and remove our scarf. Hopefully we have some laid lace. Cut off this excess lace. actually glued this right on top of my edges. I'm gonna go in with some powder foundation and see if I can deepen up some of that lace that we left on there. I'm actually going to cut off as much lace as I possibly can, except for in this middle section where we'll actually be able to kind of melt our lace to our forehead. But on all these sides where my edges are poking out, we are gonna cut as much lace off as possible. And now we're gonna go in and kind of start to color in some of this lace. The lace that is sitting on top of my hairline, I'm gonna go into this black eyeshadow and I'm going to put that right on top, but that's not gonna cut it. So we are gonna have to add like some baby hairs. Didn't want to feel like I was doing too much. We didn't fully lay them, but I am gonna spray this part down one more time. Okay, so this is the second melt and I'll be right back. Look what the second melt is giving. In person, it looks good. Yeah, the second melt definitely A. I am gonna go in with some concealer and put it in my part area. All right, y'all, so this is the hair so far. What do we think? Let me go ahead and show you how long this unit actually is. So for reference, I am 5'10", and this is what the unit is looking like on me. It stops right here. It's definitely giving a good 26, maybe more than that, 28 inches. Yeah, she's cute. Just got some shed hair. It's attached to some lace, so it's probably because I was cutting the hair. This does not feel bad. Like, it feels like really soft hair. Okay, y'all, so you know we can't do a crimp wig without doing a Y2K hairstyle. Do a whole lot, because remember, this unit is not like super dense. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more out the front. Okay, so I'm going to separate a small section in the front to leave out as my little bang. The rest of this hair that's in the front, I'm just going to pull it to the back and make our fake swoop. So it's giving a little Y2K moment. Do y'all see the moment? And if you wanted to go ahead and take it a step further, take it like this. Just kind of wrap it like this. And then take your claw clip. Yeah, y'all, I love this. Let me know what you think about the style in the comment section below. But y'all, let's talk about this wig. This wig, I need them all, okay? I want to try all the different colors. I need me a red one. I need me a brown one. I need me a blonde one. I need them all. They talk about the lace is like butter, but this texture is like butter as well, y'all. It feels so nice, so soft, but not baby dollish, okay? And that's very important for a synthetic unit. I personally really like the sheen on it. I feel like it looks like hair that has been very well taken care of, even though, you know, you've been crimping it, dye fried, laid to the side, but it has a nice little sheen to it. The only thing I would change is I would make it more thick. I would give it more density, and this could be the perfect unit, y'all. I know that this is an old unit, but if you are checking it out or trying to find it because it's been sold out for a while, I definitely would suggest you picking it up. I got mine off of Amazon, and I'll go ahead and link it in my Amazon shop. What can I say? The TikTok girls are right, okay? I saw one girl, I'll go ahead and post her video, and she was talking about the double melt method, and I really do think that made a world of a difference. The most natural you could possibly get lace to look, right? Knowing that it's a material and it's not meant to mimic your skin. Now obviously I have a ring light and everything, but even if I were to turn this ring light off, y'all can kind of see what the lace in the hairline is giving without that extra brightness of the lights. So if there's any wigs you want me to review, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. Make sure you check out all my other wig reviews, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.